Hi everyone, I hope you're doing great. So this is an emergency broadcast, and please I plead with you, if you get this video, share it as widely as you possibly can. So in the last week alone, I've had this incredibly uneasy feeling, like a depression, a weight on my spirit that signifies or implies that something is about to go fundamentally wrong in Nigeria, and especially in the southwest of Nigeria, specifically in Lagos State. See, several months ago, while I was having my live Facebook broadcast, I had actually, hinted on the fact that I had seen a vision in which I saw such an unprecedented massacre going on the streets of Lagos, where people could hardly escape, and as if some guys just got a whistle or a go-ahead, and they began to massacre people, terrorists, on the streets of Lagos. I had one or two people who confirmed the same thing, that they had seen the same as well. And then after that, Amotekun was born. Amotekun is the regional security outfit set up by the southwestern part of Nigeria, and which of course was resisted by the federal government of Nigeria. Apparently, God had revealed stuff to me about Amotekun 2017. I made a video about it as well, but in that video, I left a warning to the southwesterners. I said, do not sleep with your two eyes closed, because it is not yet Uhuru, okay? Because I knew deep down in my spirit, like I know today, that there was going to be a reaction from these people, just because the southwest of Nigeria has decided to halt the movement or the massive invasion that was already taking place, because they were invading, and they've been invading the southwest of Nigeria. They want to take over everywhere, just like what they're doing in eastern part of Nigeria today. They want to take over, but southwest had taken a proactive measure to actually curtail that, to contain them, and they're not happy about that. And so I said to them in that video, do not sleep with both eyes closed, because there is going to be a response from these people, and it's going to be very deadly. It's going to be very disastrous. Okay, so what this video is about now is to let you know the signal that I get in my spirit right now is that time for that reaction has come. The time for that reaction, that deadly reaction, has come. There is some type of uneasy calm in Lagos, in Nigeria, in most parts of western part of Nigeria. But that uneasy calm is about to be interrupted by the satanic agents of darkness. I am telling you what I know. You see, like I always say iconically, I'm not a pastor, neither am I a preacher or a prophet, but for some strange reason, I say stuff and they just happen to come to pass. And this is going to be one of them. I am telling you right now, if you live in southwestern part of Nigeria, if you live in Lagos, wherever you are in the southwest, especially in Lagos, be extremely careful from this moment. See, I don't know how much I can advise you on security. I don't even know what to tell you on safety. But the truth of the matter is that we are right in that season when the enemy is about to show himself for what he is, and you have to be careful. Avoid some rundown regions in Lagos where you have all kinds of human beings, even without identity, from all manner of places. Avoid those regions, you know them. And then avoid being in crowded areas. Avoid coming home late if you live in some type of places that you require a lot of transportation to even move from the road to where you live. You need to avoid coming home late. You need to start moving in groups or something like that. I don't really know how much I can advise you on safety, because I'm not a professional in that region, in that regard, but I can tell you right now that whatever measure you have to put in place, okay, with respect to where you live at this moment, you better put it in place and be expectant of these people's reaction. It's not good to expect evil, but if we know that this is going to happen, then we can actually prepare ourselves even better. I am praying every day. I have been doing a lot of midnight, and I am also calling on every single person who think they know how to pray. Begin to pray now, because they want to cause major mayhem in the southwestern part of Nigeria. They are ready for it. Of course, you can imagine what happened in Delta State recently, to the point that a governor that is known to always be quiet about all these happenings in Nigeria now had to break his silence. Governor Okowa had to blame the military for helping the people or aiding the people who went to massacre our people in Delta State. And not only that, you hear that there is a federal agency that they're now planning to set up to deal with repentant Boko Haram members. What other nation on earth can you hear that terrorists who massacre, maim, kill, dispossess people of their lands are being rehabilitated and reintegrated into the society, and you don't see that something is seriously wrong? No, gloves are off at this moment. The guys are desperate. They feel that there is no window of opportunity for them in the near future. So the best thing they want to do right now is to go for the kill. And that's what's about to happen. And the only obstruction they have right now is the southwestern part of Nigeria, because of how united they are and because of the action they have taken to contain the sudden invasion that was already progressing before Amotekun was formed. The invasion had been ongoing everywhere. They've been surrounded already. So they had to do this to contain and to curtail it. And these guys are not happy, so they feel boxed into a corner. And this is the time they want to react. I am telling you, my spirit has never lied to me. We are there now. So it could happen anytime, any moment. And they don't care anymore who is looking or not looking. And so we need to be prepared. Southwest leaders, Southwest leaders, Southwest leaders, get ready. Reach out to your fellow brothers and sisters in the South. Let's band together. Like I said in my previous video, let us all band together. This evil is very determined, it's very daring, and they want to take over everywhere, and they do not have any regret about anything they have to do to be able to accomplish their evil aims. I'm telling you the gospel truth. The guys are ready. They are ready. It's like a suicide mission. And we are all keeping quiet. It's time to pray if you know how to pray. It's time to strategize and re-strategize. Because out of these ashes, out of this evil that is about, that is looming now, we shall have our freedom. Without the fire, the gold is just next to nothing. This fire is bound to burn. And after it, the best of us will be unveiled. Our freedom is at hand. It cannot be negotiated because we're not ready to negotiate with the devil. We're ready to go through the fire and take that which belongs to us rather than remain forever, permanently in slavery. If we stay this way, there's nothing we are going to bequeath to the generation unborn. Nothing, absolutely nothing. And so the time has come. Those who know how to pray, pray. Those who know how to strategize, strategize. Whatever it is you know how to do, do it. Let's get together and make sure you kill the tone of disunity. This is why I've been fighting and calling on my people in Southeast. Stop all this nonsense of discrimination. This one is Osu, Ohu, this, that. Stop it, end it. We are supposed to be banding together now. Now. More than ever before.